So in this tutorial, we learn how to run Git Bash in VS Code terminal. So Git Bash is used to run Git commands within the line command interface. So when you set Git Bash to run in the VS Code terminal, you'll be able to run the Git commands within here. So first, click the Shift, Control and P and type select default profile. So click select default profile and select Git Bash. So for the changes to occur, you need to kill the terminal first. So kill the terminal by clicking the bin icon. So reopen the terminal, click the 3 horizontal dots, select terminal and click new terminal. And you can see that we have launched our Git Bash in our VS Code terminal. So let's say I want to clone a project using the git clone command. So I want to clone my agritech project. Click code and copy the link. Come back to VS Code and type git clone and paste the link and click enter. You can see that our project is being cloned in our VS Code. So that's how to set or run Git Bash in VS Code terminal. So when you're done using Git Bash and you want to go back to the default setting of PowerShell, do the same process. Click Shift, Control and P and type select default profile. So click select default profile and change back to PowerShell. So click PowerShell. So kill the terminal and reopen the terminal, and you have gone back to the default setting. So that's how to run Git Bash in VS Code terminal. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Pro Education.